If you live the life of Quran and Sunnah, and your other colleagues in school see you, say, wow, that's the kind of person I need to be. That's the kind of person I need to be. That's how it has to be. You got to be different. You got to be different to the set. Allah is your judge, not people. Don't do it for people. And don't do it because of people. Do it for Allah and do the righteous thing. So guns were used. Cain killed with a different weapon. Arrows and swords. People murdered people by the hundreds of thousands before guns were invented. So gun is not the criminal. The user of the gun is criminal. It's a human being we need to control. Human control versus gun control. You control the human being. That's what Allah says. إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ. Except those who have iman and good deeds, they will do the righteousness and they will control the gun. Because it's the man who goes to jail and the woman who uses and misuses the weapon. There were many forms, and there will continue to be many forms. It doesn't mean that banning a gun will stop crime. But those of you who are not here, don't miss me. I said yes, Second Amendment, okay. There should be a license. There should be serious background check. No one should have a gun without a license. No one should have a gun without a license. And they're got to be in 9 yards of screening, not only mental health, but moral character should be a condition to possess a gun. I don't care if the man is 90 years. If he has bad character, he should not have a gun. Because he could kill his neighbor. Okay? It doesn't matter who it is. His church, his school, his family. Everything should be screened. Everything should be screened. When America screens a terrorist, you guys know, Muslims, you guys should know that, right? If your name is only Ali, they stop you in the airport. They're screening a terrorist all the way in Afghanistan, you know. But your name is Ali and they screen you in Miami airport. Ask Brother Azad how many times they hold him up because his name is Ali. They're screening a terrorist, from some other country. Your name, Muhammad Ali Khan. They stop every Muhammad Ali Khan in every airport. So you're going to give a guy a gun, and his father is a criminal, his mother is a criminal, his sister is a criminal, but he's mentally okay. He should have a gun? Not at all. Peter paid for Paul, and Paul paid for all. Right now, the criminals who commit terrorist act, all Muslims pay for it, for the safety of everybody else. So if America understands that law, they should understand that law for guns also. Everybody.